Dear student, good morning. You are most welcome in my lab class. Today we are going to do something entertaining. You will learn through the experimentation, and this experiment will give you visual feelings. So, be ready. Do you know what I am going to do here? I know that types of chemical reaction. In types of chemical reaction, we classified different types. The first one is combination reaction, then decomposition reaction, then displacement reaction, then double displacement reaction. So these four categories of reactions we categorize, and after that the sum other reactions also, like exothermic, endothermic, precipitation and redox reactions. So these four reactions may or may not be involved with this previous four reactions. Here I am going to demonstrate you one experiment. Here I am going to demonstrate you burning of magnesium ribbon in air. Then after that we will categorize it one of the chemical reaction. So first what we should do? First take a magnesium ribbon and need to clean it by using sandpaper. Sandpaper. This is not a sandpaper. Sandpaper. This is. So I am going to clean it. Why should we clean? Because the magnesium is a very reactive element. It reacts with our atmospheric oxygen and carbon dioxide and water vapor and form a basic magnesium carbonate layer over on the surface. Understood? And which is work as a protective layer. So in presence of this layer, in presence of this protective layer, magnesium ribbon will not burn easily. So previously we have this black color coated magnesium. Look how this shining surface of magnesium we have. This is color is the grey silver color. The color metal grey silver color. Now I have one piece of magnesium ribbon. It is a shining surface. Clean magnesium. Before going to burn, we should clean the magnesium ribbon. What is the name of this instrument? Tongue. Understood? It is not a scissor or holder. The name of this instrument is tongue. Now I am going to light up our spirit lamp. I have two magnesium ribbon. I am going to demonstrate here burning of magnesium ribbon in air. As you see here, I am holding a piece of magnesium ribbon in my hand with the help of tongue. The name of this instrument is tongue. Okay, it is not a holder or not a seizure. We should call it tongue. The name of tongue. Why should call it? The name of this instrument is tongue. So this tongue holded one piece of magnesium ribbon about 2-3 centimeter long. After this experiment, we will try to classify these reactions in the different types of reaction whatever we know. So let us see what amazing going to be here. Oh, so nice! White dazzling flame. It is burned with white dazzling flame. Magnesium acts as a fuel and oxygen present around it, which involve with magnesium, and when it get contact with fire, it got burns. So we have now a white color substance which is obtained after burning of magnesium in air. So this white color substance is what? So this is magnesium. What is the formula of magnesium? Mg. Oxygen O2. Magnesium plus oxygen. What is the probability? MgO. So here we can tell that this white color powder is magnesium oxide. This white color powder is magnesium oxide. Let us check the nature of this white color substance. So how do we check? Generally we know that the metal oxide is basic in nature. So let me this white color powder. So how we are identifying? Tell me a basic and acidic solution. The basic and acidic solution we generally use to identify litmus paper. This is litmus solution. I will use here litmus paper. This is a red color, red litmus paper. So take it. Now here you can observe what is the observation. It turns into blue in color. So let us check it with magnesium oxide, it is not a completely dissolved in water, it is partially dissolved. So here, if you can observe, slightly blue color solution is observed. Look this, you can see that color of this paper, it turns into blue. So magnesium oxide dissolved in water gives magnesium hydroxide. So now tell me, this is what type of chemical reaction? Magnesium only one element, then it reacts with oxygen 2 and form how many products? One single product. So we can categorize this reaction in combination reaction. Yes or no? Combination reaction. So combination reaction are of 3 types. So this reaction will come in which category? Think. Magnesium element, oxygen element. So magnesium plus oxygen element, we can categorize into element reaction. Yes or no? Yes, we can categorize. So this is a type of reaction, element reaction. So magnesium bonds with oxygen, what will form? And what is the color of flame? And the nature of product will be basic or acidic. Why should bonds the magnesium? Why should clean the magnesium ribbon before burning? Understood? So this one concept completed.